Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this cordless table lamp for repaint purposes. And well, let me take it out of the box first. I think that it's nice because I said it's cordless, you can just have it whatever you need it and move it anytime. Okay, we got the user manual with all the important information about this lamp, what it includes, and how to install it. Okay, which I think that it's great. Okay, it comes really well protected with foam, which I think that it's really nice. That way it won't came damage or anything. Let's get out of here. Okay, get the main unit. Okay, let me take out this. We got also a light bulb. It uses E12 light bulb bases, which I think that it's nice. It's the light bulb that comes included, and it goes just in here like this. Okay, but I'm not gonna put it right now. I'm just gonna install first the lampshade. Okay, we place just the lampshade like this and we secure it. And now we can just place the light bulb and turn it on. As you can see, we get different brightness levels. It's the first one, second one, third one. And I think that it's nice because it gives a really comfortable mood in the area. And as I've said, you can just take it with you as it is. Wireless doesn't have to be in just one place. And you even get a USB Type A to Type C charging cable, so you can really charge the battery of the lamp. And like this, just plug it in into the power outlet, and that's it. It will be charging, and I think that it's really nice. The touch button works perfectly okay, and I think that it's great. And overall, I think that it's a really nice size. Okay, as you can see, it can be placed whatever you need it, so it gives you a really nice vibe like this. And I think that it's really great. Overall, I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it to you guys.